This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the stainless steel cooker on a medium burner and heating it empty for 1 minute to stabilize temperature. Once done, add 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of oil and swirl so the cooking surface films evenly. This reduces sticking and improves searing. Make sure to add aromatics now if sautéing. They release flavor faster in a properly heated pan. You'll see a subtle shimmer when it's ready. That visual cue helps you avoid cold starts and uneven cooking. You sear meats and vegetables on medium-high until a golden crust forms, then lower the heat to medium-low to finish cooking through without burning. Once done searing, deglaze with about 1/4 cup of broth, wine, or water and scrape the fond. That releases concentrated flavor and prevents residue. Make sure to stir occasionally and adjust heat in small increments so the stainless steel stays at an even temperature. This prevents hot spots and sticking while preserving the cooker's finish. You finish by turning off heat and letting foods rest briefly to redistribute juices, then transfer contents to serving dishes. Once cooled, wash the cooker using warm water and mild detergent with a non-abrasive pad to protect the surface. Rinse and dry immediately to avoid water spots. If stubborn burn bits appear, make a paste or soak with baking soda and hot water and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen residue. That method lifts carbon without scratching the stainless steel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.